In this video, we will show you how to check word count on Google Docs or Google Documents. By default, Google Documents is hide the word counts, not like if we are using Microsoft Office Word, the word count visible in here. But in Google Documents, we need to click the tools and select word count in here. You can see there is word count and character excluding space and pages. You must know the word counts in here is keep in the header and numbering. So this is just in the body text. Okay, you can also display word count while typing in the bottom left corner by clicking this and click OK. Now, when you type, the word counts also counting in here. For example, in here. Okay. And that's all tutorial how to check word counts on Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.